Hey everybody, my name is Kartik Subramaniam. I'm a real estate entrepreneur here in Southern California. I'm the founder of a very large real estate education company. Absolutely love what I do. I have a passion for the business. I'm happy to have found it. Follow my journey here on YouTube. Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. A question that I get with some degree of regularity is, hey Kartik, what equipment do you use for your video production? Now, I'd like to do over the next month or two an interview with our video production guy, Wacko here, who's an absolute genius and master at what he does. Hang on. I want to do a video where I interview Wacko here in a couple of weeks. He is unfortunately wearing a Yankees shirt, so I can't let him on camera on my YouTube channel, but I told him to get a Dodgers one and maybe we can talk. So that wasn't a mean look. Anyway, in case you're wondering what camera we use here and what equipment we use. So first, in terms of pre-production, first we have I know this might look like it's painted, but watch. It's a sheet of white paper. Step one. Step two, we have a tripod and the Sony a7R II. It's a big dog camera from Sony. And then you'll need it's a digital DSLR camera, of course. I have a mic here, a Sennheiser mic. And of course, in post-production, we use Premiere to cut the stuff up in Premiere. But the point is that a lot of the stuff here, you don't necessarily even need this level of equipment. I mean, this piece of paper is probably at least $10. I'm just joking, but the camera's super expensive. Premiere's a complicated video editing software, so you don't need to have all this stuff to start. As I've said in countless other videos, just start. But if you want to know what we're using, our post-production's done in Premiere. Oh, the lighting, basic LED panels, here and there, just to make sure there's no shadows. I wanna just set this up in case you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel. I'm gonna interview Wacko here over the next 4 to 8 weeks. I'll just try to get on his calendar and have him talk about all the equipment that he's laughing because I'm not sure why, but how packed is your calendar? But anyway, I'll try to get on his calendar and do something, but if you guys would like to, any tips on starting a YouTube channel or whatever, because we're cranking out a lot of videos here each and every week. So if you're interested in maybe even hiring someone to do your video, Wacko is all mine. No, I'm just kidding, but he's the best. So I'll interview him over the next 1 to 2 months, and I promise I'll bring that to you. But those are some of the equipment we use, in case you're wondering. Sony camera, Sennheiser mic, 2 LED panels, a background here, and we cut it up in Adobe Premiere. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd love to connect with you on Instagram, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.